The 360-degree crown used to belong to Insta360. Period. But lately, the air is getting thin. DJI has arrived with the Osmo 360, and GoPro is fighting back hard. The Insta360 X6, it's a great camera, but in 2026, great isn't enough to stay on top. Enter the Insta360 X6. This isn't just a rumor anymore. It's a registered reality. And if these leaks are true, Insta360 is bringing a knife to a gunfight, and they're turning it into a flamethrower. Let's talk about the specs that are currently causing a stir in the industry. The sensor. We're hearing whispers of a 1-inch class sensor. That's the holy grail for action cams. It means better low light, cleaner dynamic range, and finally, the end of that muddy, grainy footage when the sun goes down. 8K at 60 frames per second. The X5 gave us 8K/30. The X6, they're aiming for 8K/60. That's not just more frames. That's buttery, smooth slow motion at ultra-high resolution. 10-bit color. This is the pro-level upgrade we've been begging for. No more banding in the skies. No more blown-out highlights. 10-bit color means professional-grade grading in post-production. But here's the catch. You can't put a V8 engine in a lawnmower. To support 8K/60 and 10-bit processing, Insta360 has had to completely redesign the internal architecture. We're talking a new, more efficient chipset and a beefier cooling system. And, thankfully, a massive jump in battery capacity, targeting that 100-minute mark for high-res recording. But be warned, this camera is going to be a data muncher. You're going to need faster memory cards and a serious computer setup to edit this footage. Are you ready for that? Because Insta360 is clearly betting that you are. Hardware is only half the battle. The real reason people stick with Insta360 is the moat they've built around their software. The AI reframing, the subject tracking, the desktop studio, it's just faster than the competition. With the X6, expect that AI to get even smarter. We're hearing about next-level auto-reframing that's going to make your 360 footage look like it was filmed by a professional camera operator, not a tiny stick in your hand. Why the rush? Look at the calendar. DJI and GoPro are pushing hard, and Insta360 has a spring launch cycle to maintain. They have to push this envelope. If they stay at 8K/30, they lose the lead. If they don't bring 10-bit color, they lose the pros. The X6 isn't just an update, it's a survival move. But I want to know your take. Does the jump to 8K/60 and a 1-inch sensor actually change how you shoot? Or are you just looking for a smaller, cheaper, and more reliable camera? Let's talk in the comments. And if you want to be the first to see the unboxing the second this thing drops, you know what to do. Subscribe. I'll be here when the embargo lifts.